Most men think erectile dysfunction just shows up one day, but the truth is it's usually death by 1,000 cuts. 7 everyday habits that quietly kill your erections. Fix even 2 of this and you will feel the difference faster than you think. Erections are not random. They are a reflection of how well your blood flow, your hormones, your nerves, and your brain are working together. If even one of those is under attack daily, your erections will suffer. But because the damage tends to build slowly, most men won't even connect the dots. They will blame stress or age or just say, I'm not in the mood. Meanwhile, the habits they keep repeating every day, and this are choking your performance. So let's go through them one by one. Number 1, sitting too much. This is a 21st century problem everywhere. When you sit all day, blood pools in your lower body, your circulation slows and your pelvic muscles weaken. Less oxygen and nutrient flow means weaker erections. So how to fix it? Stand up every hour. Even 2-3 minutes of walking or stretching keeps blood flowing to the area. Number 2, carrying excess belly fat. Excess fat, especially around the waist, is a testosterone killer. Fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen, and it also inflames your blood vessels. That's a double hit. I mean, you don't need to be shredded. Even dropping 10 pounds can boost your testosterone and improve blood flow enough to notice harder erections. Number 3, poor sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs, balances hormone, and triggers nighttime erections. If you're burning the candle at both ends, testosterone plummets and blood sugar level rises. That combo, it tends to make havoc on your performance. So aim for 7-8 hours of sleep. Even fixing your sleeping schedule for a week can improve your morning wood. Number 4, smoking and vaping. Nicotine is a blood vessel constrictor. That means your arteries literally, they shrink every time you smoke. Over time, that hardens your arteries and starves your penis of blood. Even cutting down makes a difference. Within 2-3 weeks of quitting, many men notice stronger morning erections. 5. Drinking too much. Alcohol tends to relax the blood vessels, but too much shuts down the nerves that trigger that erection. Chronic drinking also lowers your testosterone. The whiskey dick joke, well, it's real. So try to eliminate the alcohol, or at least, try to have 2-3 drinks per week at maximum, and you should start feeling an improvement. Number 6, this is a big one, porn overload. Porn rewires your brain's dopamine system. The more extreme content you watch, the less excited you get by real intimacy with your partner. Your brain adapts by needing more and more stimulation, and your penis just doesn't keep up with that. So take a 30-day reset. For a lot of men, this alone brings back stronger, more reliable erections. Number 7 is chronic stress. Stress equals adrenaline and cortisol. Both are erection killers. Adrenaline literally clamps down your arteries. If you're living in fight or flight mode, your body isn't going to prioritize sex. It's trying to survive. So you can't eliminate stress altogether, but you can learn how to regulate it. Breath work, lifting weights, even just a walk outside, those tends to reset the nervous system, and over time, your blood vessels will open up. Now, you don't have to fix all 7 at once. That is overwhelming. But here's the rule. Pick 2 of these habits and clean them up for 30 days of this. Why 2? Because even small wins, they stack fast. Quit smoking and fix your sleep. Your circulation and hormones both improve. Drop a bit of weight and you cut porn, testosterone goes up and your brain responds better. So every step you take, it tends to compound into better erections and better health overall. Erectile dysfunction is not always about some hidden disease or permanent damage. In most men, it's this daily habits that slowly they're cutting their performance. The good news is, habits, the same way you've added them to your routine, the same way you can actually take them away. Your body really wants to bounce back, but it needs your help. So start by tackling 2 of these 7 habits for the next month. You'll be shocked how much difference that alone can make. And in the next video, we'll dive into one of the biggest modern culprits: porn. Your brain needs a reset. Okay? So I'll see you there.